Good morning guys, itong aming munting baryo. It's overlooking the Makahalar Bay. And meron tayong pupuntahan ngayon. Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang isang napakagandang farm. Hindi sa amin, pero I'm sure you're going to love it. Come! There you go. This is the very beautiful okra farm. As you can see, it's really blooming, and this is the beautiful flower of the okra, and you can see long stretches of okra over there. Actually, it's just a few meters from where we live. Ayan. Napakaganda dito sa baryo namin. And it's really an agricultural place. At napakaganda ng mga tanim. May mais, may okra, at may tabako. Ayan. Hindi sila nag-harvest today. I think they harvested yesterday. Napakaganda, napakalulusog. And I don't see any pest infestation with this okra farm. Wow, it's really beautiful. They are very healthy, the plants themselves. Ganda, oh. As you all know, okra is a very healthy vegetable. It reduces fatigue. It boosts immunity. It is also good for diabetics because it lowers blood sugar and it maintains healthy skin. And apart from that, of course, it protects liver diseases, and because it's rich in fibers, it lowers the risk of heart diseases. So, amazing! Okra, wag basta okrain, dahil talagang napaka-healthy nito. It's really beautiful. Beautiful okra farm. Diba? So kung masipag ka lang talaga magtanim at may lupa kang tatamnan, hindi ka magugutom. Alright guys, I hope na-enjoy nyo to. And sa susunod na video, mas maganda pa ang ipapakita ko sa inyo. Bye!